Please like, share, subscribe, or press the bell icon. Thank you.